Show me that smile again.
Show me that smile.
Don't waste another minute on your crime.
Guys are down at the bus right now. They're working on the water hose. It's gonna drop down to like 22 tomorrow or something like that. And so we just have a hose going from there to the bus. So we're still learning all the winter stuff, still trying to get it all figured out.
How you doing? Doing pretty good.
Hi YouTube.
Best
what do we
guy
do?
ever, Brian. We're looking for heat tape.
I'm back here. Basically, you just want to run it to the length. You don't want to wrap it around. Reason for that, if it gets frozen, at least along that where that tape is, you got a channel for the water to get out.
So our plan is we're gonna put heat tape on the outside of a garden hose, and then we're gonna wrap that in insulation foam.
Oh my God, I did the same thing you're about.
You put it on there before the clamp?
We're back at the bus, editing videos while BJ's airbrushing. Get some stuff put together, print out some ideas for our paintings, and get back to it, baby.
The feel of new socks is amazing. Hey, decided to go a little weird again. Going through my colors, they go, well, what should I go with on the gold? So it's like, well, why not a little bit of red?
This can be red.
Red. Guess red. I don't know. That's what kind of tickled me for a moment. Almost dropped the helmet. This is a helmet I'm doing for Mike McCune. It was supposed to be done a long time ago. When my best friend died, I kind of didn't want to see it. So it kind of got parked. And then we're also working on a painting that we're going to be trying to sell. We're running a little short on funds, so we're going to be doing some cool art. I got some cool twists on things. Cody's got some cool twists on things. So right here we got Rick from Rick and Morty. We're going to move this up a bit. We're trying to figure out how we're going to lay them out, but I want to put George Jetson up here because they both drive spaceships, and this is Rick sitting on a shitter. It's like his utopia poop. We're going to do a cool background back here, thinking about adding in some other characters or something. Not sure what we're doing yet, but the original photo is wong, and we're going to like modify the crap out of it. Yesterday the guys washed up Ken's Mustang, got it all cleaned up, covered in spiders. Literally spiders everywhere. It was ridiculous. It was honestly scary. I'm not a fan of spiders. The interior still has to be fixed with the spider thing because they're kind of everywhere still. But then we'll get her running and everything like that. And we had Ken out, which was really cool getting to hang out with him.
How does it feel looking at your car again, getting all cleaned?
Feels good.
That's good.
Different.
How different?
Color.
It wasn't like that originally? Or did you just talk about how dirty it was?
Both.
What color was it before?
Orange. Green dash. Green carpet.
Orange car. That's weird.
And we say, I don't see that shit going on. Just been great, but I'm gonna get back to airbrushing. So I'll miss you guys. I love you. I was the good noodle today. Wanted to throw that out there. I'm the good noodle. Are you staring at me? Cody, just completely ignore most of that.